All right, before your brain melts, let's actually figure out what the hell everyone's talking about, because every explanation of AI agents online is either too technical, too basic, or just a sales pitch for a $200 Notion template. So here's a version made for normal people who use ChatGPT daily but don't have a PhD in prompt engineering. We're going to break this down in 3 fast levels: chatbots, workflows, and finally, agents. Let's start at level 1. Large language models, or LLMs. These are the big guys behind ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. They're great at writing emails you'll never send, explaining code you'll never understand, and generating text that sounds 80% confident and 20% wrong. You give them input, they give you output. Simple. If I say, write an email for my greasy boss, boom, polite email, too polite, like your grandma wrote it. But if I ask, when is my next karaoke night? It just dies, because the model doesn't know your calendar. That's the first limitation of LLMs. They don't know your personal or company data. Second, they're passive. They don't do things. They just wait for your prompt, reply, and go back to sleep. Level 2. AI workflows. Imagine I told ChatGPT, every time I ask about an event, check my Google Calendar first. Now it can fetch the info and tell me when I'm meeting Jeff Bezos. Cool, right? But now I ask, what's the weather that day? And boom, it fails again, because the workflow only knows to check Google Calendar, not the weather API. That's the key trait of AI workflows. They follow fixed instructions made by humans. You define the path, it follows it. No thinking, no improvising. It's basically your intern with zero creativity. Now, if I expand that workflow, maybe it fetches the weather, summarizes it, and uses a text-to-speech model to say,
"Sunny with a chance of being a good boy."
It's still not an agent, because I'm still the one designing every step. The logic, the flow, the decisions, all me. That's not intelligence. That's glorified automation. Level 3, AI agents. Here's where the magic and chaos begin. Let's take that same workflow, but remove me as the decision maker. Now the LLM itself decides what to do. It reasons, okay, to write social posts, I need to find news first, summarize them, then write the captions. It acts by using tools like Google Sheets, APIs, and Claude. It iterates by critiquing its own work and improving it, just like a human would. That's the big shift. Agents don't wait for you to tell them step-by-step instructions. You give them a goal, and they figure out how to get there. That's why most agent frameworks follow the REACT pattern. Reason plus act. The agent reasons about what to do next, acts using tools, observes the result, and repeats until the goal is complete. That's iteration, no humans required. The result, a system that doesn't just automate tasks, but makes decisions along the way. Let's ground that in reality. Andrew Ng, one of the top figures in AI, built a demo where an AI vision agent identifies clips, acts by scanning video frames, matches patterns, and returns the correct clip, all without a human labeling anything. That's an AI agent doing end-to-end reasoning, acting, and observing autonomously. You just see the result. It looks simple, but under the hood, it's thinking in loops, not lines. Now let's end this with some real-world examples of AI agents already working today. Devin AI, the software engineer that plans, writes, debugs, and ships code on its own, using reasoning and tool use like a human dev. AutoGPT, one of the OG open source agents that loops through reasoning cycles until it completes a goal, like building a website or generating reports. HuggingGPT connects ChatGPT to other AI models for specific tasks like image recognition or speech synthesis, coordinating them like a project manager. And N8 NAI agents, which let you connect your own tools and APIs so your LLM can take actions across your stack, automate marketing, manage emails, or even book your flights. So yeah, that's what everyone means when they say agentic LLMs are your interns. Workflows are your checklists. Agents, they're your digital employees. You don't tell them how to work, you just give them a goal and watch them figure it out. And if you want to learn how to build one yourself, let's get this video to 69 likes and I'll be making a tutorial on that soon. Until then, stay curious, stay agentic, and please don't make your AI self-aware.